Welcome to Sai Jain Academy channel, ARM Assembly Language Programming using Keel Microvision 4 Part 13. In this session, we use some of the directives, which is DCD, DCB, DCW assembly directive. DCB means we have to represent in equal alias equal. It's a 1 byte instruction. Byte or string we can transfer by using DCB. DCW it is for 2 byte data transfer. Here 16-bit integer aligned 2 bytes. So DCB for byte or a string, DCW for 16-bit integers, DCD alias ampersand. It's a 4 byte 32-bit integer. It's a 4 byte aligned. DCQ for 8 byte length, 64-bit integer aligned to 4 byte. DCI 2 or 4 byte integer defining an arm or a thumb instruction. Now for instance, I will start with DCD with an example. I will open Keel software. Keel software here. I am using here is the DCD. I am able to transfer 32-bit integer by using DCD. In previous sessions, we were trying to transfer the data 32-bit value to the register by using move instruction. We were finding that difficulty in transferring data. But in this case, we are using DCD directive. As you know, as we discussed, it is for 32-bit data transfer. Integers that can be transferred is a 4 byte aligned. Ampersand is a alias. We have to provide this ampersand so that we can able to transfer the data to the particular locations. Here we are using one more instruction, that is, this is what we called as pseudo constraint. It is not loading the address, it is for transferring the pseudo constraint. Here is the label value. Value is the label. Label is here, which will take the value of this particular integer and transfer it to the R1. Similarly, LDR R2 comma value 2. Next instruction is R3 is equal to R1 plus R2. And we are moving address 4 followed by 7 zeros to R4. R3 is holding the result. That R3 is transferred to R4 address. Address means R4 is holding the address, that is 4 followed by 7 zeros address locations. SWI as usual. We have to give the data after the SWI ampersand 11, and before it has to be in S. I will remove this one and I will use here. Okay, I will add this program to source group, and now I am going to execute this program by building target. Go to debug, evaluation version. I open this memory window for 470s. I am executing line by line. The first value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 now transferred to R1. Second instruction, second value is transferred to R2, that is 1 1 1 1. Third, now it is going to execute add instruction, that is add these two values, you can get the result. The same result we are going to transfer the memory location, which is here, memory location 4000. The same result what we obtained in the R3, that should transfer to here with the help of str. So content of R3 transfer to the memory location which is holding by R4. R4 is holding 470's address location. Now you execute this instruction. What happened? The result is stored here. Just look at here. It is 98765432. This is the most significant bit here. This is the least significant bit is occupied by this particular location. Next is 45 is here, 67 is here, 89 is 89. So in this way these DCD direct use can be used in our programming. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.